Okay, so let's continue on. We're going to multiply 3 digits by 1 digit using the traditional method. So this time I'm just adding a hundreds place. So if I have a question like 275 times 4, I'm going to do the same thing. I need to stack with the biggest number on top. 275 times, now the 4 has to go over here under the ones place because there's only 4 ones. Now we're going to do the same thing. Every number on the top has to be multiplied by the number on the bottom. So all of these numbers have to be multiplied by 4. So we always start over here in the ones place. So 4 times 5 is 20. But I can't write 20 underneath. Same thing as before, we have to write the 0 in the ones place and carry over that 2 to the top of the next row, and we're going to add that in after we multiply. So 4 times 5 is 20, carry the 2. Now I'm going to multiply the middle number, the tens. 4 times 7 is 28 plus the 2 I carried. So 28 plus 2 is 30. I have to put the 0 and carry the 3 over, which I will add in after. So now my last step is to multiply the 4 times the 2. 4 times 2 is 8 plus the 3 we carried. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So I can write 11 because I have no more digits. So my product of 275 times 4 is 1,100. Let's try another one. You can do this with me. Let's try a question like 3 times 636. So I'm going to stack them with the bigger number on top, 636 times, and the 3 goes in the ones place. So I'm always going to start in the ones place. 6 times 3 is 18. I write the 8. I carry the 1 over to add in. Multiply first. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. I put the 0 for the 10 and carry the 1 over. Now my last step is I have to multiply this 3 times the number in the hundreds place. 3 times 6 is 18, plus the 1 I added, so 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 more is 19. So my product is 1,908. Now let's try one that has a 0 in it. 807 times 8. So we're going to stack them. Start multiplying in our ones place. 8 times 7. Well, what comes front of 7, 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 7 is 56. I put the 6. I have to carry my 5 over to add in. That says plus 5. Now I multiply 8 times the tens place. Well, any number times 0 is 0. So 8 times 0 is 0 plus the 5. So 0 plus 5 is 5. And my last step now is I have to multiply 8 times the 8 in the hundreds place. 8 times 8 is 64. So our product is 6,456.